Welcome back, guys, to Easy Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming. I know it's been quite some time since I've done a video. My baby girl, she's so precious. She's 7 months now, so just been very busy with her. My hubby works like all day, every day, so as you can hear in the background, I do all the work here at home, of course, but he does a lot outside of the home. So I've just been really busy with her, enjoying every moment. It goes so quick. She's 7 months today. But anyhow, today we are gonna make a chocolate dump cake. This is gonna be so simple, guys. Literally, these are all the ingredients you need right here. So we have our semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can even use the non-semi-sweet if you want. We have the Jell-O, just the instant chocolate. And there's no artificial sweeteners or high fructose corn syrup in that. We also have butter here. And then we have a cake mix, and you're going to need 2.5 cups of milk. Literally, this is all you need. So simple, and another great dessert for parties, holidays, get-togethers, another crowd pleaser that is so easy. So let's get started. So first step, so simple. You're just going to want to grease a 9x13 baking dish. It doesn't necessarily have to be a 9x13 pan, but I think that's going to be your best bet. And then the recipe says just sprinkle the dry cake mix evenly on the pan. So simple. As long as I can get all this cake mix out of it without destroying the bag too much. Right. I think I'll just even this out a little bit after I lay it down. Seems even easier that way. Right, we got it all out. So I just dumped the dry cake mix into the pan, and I'm spreading that out evenly. So then the recipe tells me, guys and girls, just to drop the Jell-O mix right on top of the cake mix and spread that out evenly too. Pretty simple. Make sure you get all that out of the bag. Try to pour it evenly so you don't have to do as much work afterward. Alright, simple as that. Okay, for the easy step 3, guys and girls, I just started to add my melted butter to the milk. Now, you do want the butter to be melted, but you don't want it to be hot because you don't want the milk to curdle. So then you just add that in. And then you're just dumping that mixture right on top of the cake mix. Okay, now you are going to use a whisk just to mix it slightly. You don't have to mix it completely, but you do want that mixture, the butter and the milk incorporated, so it's evenly distributed. But again, don't have to do this much, just very slightly. Now, step 6, my favorite and so easy. You're just going to dump this entire bag of chocolate chips over the top. Just as evenly as you can get it. You want some delicious chocolate chips in every single bite. At least I do. I don't know why you wouldn't, because, yeah, I definitely want a lot of chocolate chips in each and every bite. So, of course, they're my favorite and delicious. And you want to make sure you get each and every delicious chocolate morsel out of that bag. Alright, all done with that step. Now we just throw it in the oven. How simple is that? So step 7, so simple. You're just popping this deliciousness into the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And I think this is going to turn out delicious. So I will catch you guys in about 40 minutes. I can't wait to see how this deliciousness turns out. Alright, guys and girls, I have just taken this out of the oven after cooking it for about 40 minutes. Looks like it turned out delicious. I can't wait to try it for you guys. Now, in the recipe I was reading, it said it's normal for there to be some wet spots and some that look a little more dry and crisp. And that's just because dump cakes are so moist and gooey. I cannot wait. That's my favorite kind of cake. Any cake that is super moist, chocolatey, and gooey. And this should be all three. So, I will catch you guys in a few more minutes once this cools down.